Hey Wildcats, Mr. J here, and this is our reading lesson for 1026, Comp Day 1. Let's get to the questions. Number 1, the author said that Crowbar was going to be deeply imprinted on the family. What does this mean? The author said that Crowbar would be deeply imprinted on the family because he would always be in their thoughts and on their minds. That's what deeply imprinted means again, boys and girls, if we remember from our from our vocab. Deeply imprinted means that it's always fixed in your memory. All right, let's look at number 2. Number 2 says, why do you think Crowbar slept in an apple tree? Crowbar slept in an apple tree because he was still a wild animal. Although he did things that were like a pet, he wasn't fully, and then we can even put this, he wasn't fully a pet. He was still wild. He did a lot of pet things, but again, he didn't trust to sleep inside at their house. All right, number 3. When the author worked, Crowbar would act like he wanted to be petted and picked up. Then he would fly away with a paperclip. This showed he was. When Crowbar flew away with the paperclip, it showed he was still sneaky. He was still sneaky. He was always looking for a way to get people to do what he wanted, and then he didn't fully trust people because, again, he was still a wild animal. So he was still sneaky in the fact that when the mom would pet him, he would trick her into petting him every day, and then he would sneak away with one of the paper clips. So, and finally, number 4. When the author told the story of Crowbar and the student's coins, what was she comparing Crowbar to? The author was comparing Crowbar to a thief when he would steal the coins. Remember, boys and girls, the author said that he would take them away. He would catch the coins from the kids' lunches in the air, and then he would fly away, and he wouldn't let anyone else see where he was putting the coins. So it was like he was stealing something in the fact that he wouldn't show anyone where he hid it or where his stash was. All right, boys and girls, those are your comp questions. If you get those sentences in for tomorrow, you get a 4 out of 4, so it should be easily. And hopefully everyone checks out this video. I'll put up Comp Day 2 tomorrow. And again, boys and girls, these can go right in your notes for use on the test on Friday, which is huge. See you tomorrow, Wildcats.